Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our anatomy and physiology class. This is your teacher, Charlene May Atupan, or Miss A, is gonna teach you about the different types of tissues in our body. Last time we talked about epithelial tissues, which is found in the linings, or which are found in the linings of the skin and others. Connective tissue is your topic today, and I hope you're going to listen, right? Connective tissue's function is to support, to protect, and to bind organs together. So what are these examples? It includes tendons and ligaments, or cartilage, skeleton, blood, and body fats. So connective tissue, it contains protein fibers. It has a ground substance. Miss A, what are ground substances? They are non-living materials of protein and carbohydrate molecules, okay? And this forms the extracellular matrix. What is that? It is the stuff outside or around the cells that is produced by cells. And also, it is a specific type of cell. That's a connective tissue. And each type of this connective tissue has a specific function. What are these functions? It develops from mesenchyme. We say, what are mesenchyme? They are a type of stem cells from which all other connective tissues arise, okay? And they first arise from the developing embryo. As you can see here in this diagram, the first one you can see here is the ground substance, or we call it the free substance. We have these fibers that are elastic, called elastic fibers, collagen fibers, and reticular fibers. All in all, they are called protein fibers, and ground substance plus protein fibers are called extracellular matrix. And we have mesenchymal cell, this part here. The blood vessel is this red one here where the blood passes through. Macrophage, adipocyte, or the fat cell. This is the yellow colored one, and the fibroblast. So as you can see, we'll discuss what are these. Okay, first one here is fibroblast. Let me say, what are these? As you can see in this right-hand side picture, these are the visible cells that have tapered ends. We say, what are tapered ends? They produce fibers and ground substance, fibroblast. And they are considered irregular connective tissues. They have also collagen fibers, this part here, fibers, okay? Protein fibers, and they are flexible, strong, they are resistant to stretching, and also they have elastic fiber. Okay, this is more on fibers, connective tissues, right? They are made of protein, elastin, which is thinner than collagen, right? Do you know what collagen are, right? Collagen, these are strong, flexible fibers that are resistant to stretching. These are being used for people that are babies up to 16 years old. Your collagen in your body is been producing. However, if you are 16 years old or more, or being mature, your collagen fibers keep on decreasing. Okay, so that is why mature and adults, older people, need to take some collagen supplements, or need to take other supplements to boost their collagen level. And also it has elastic fibers of protein elastin, and it stretches and recoils easily. Another one is adipose connective tissue. This is another type of connective tissue, which is also called fat, right? Miss A, how do you know that I have this adipose connective tissue or fats? Okay, when you have droplets of lipid, your nucleus pushed to the side, and you can see this part here. This is your adipocyte. Okay, and your nucleus is just a little here. Okay, there are cushions structures from shocks, and this one acts as insulin. It stores energy for the body, so if you need energy, okay, this adipose connective tissue will provide you. The adipocytes cannot divide. However, mesenchyme can make more if needed. This is the blood vessels in this part here. This is the enlarged part of your hypodermis or your skin part. Another type of connective tissue is dense connective tissue, which is primarily protein fibers. It has a lot of collagens, and there are three types. We call it dense, regular. We have dense, irregular, and elastic. So three types of dense connective tissue. Dense, regular examples are the tendons, while dense, irregular, those layers of the dermis that are reticular, and elastic, dense connective tissue are found in the walls of your aorta, this part of your heart. All right, so you can see here at the right side is the illustration. The dense, regular connective tissue like the tendon, as what I've mentioned a while ago, and also ligaments, they are collagen fibers actually that are packed tightly and are arranged in parallel to force applied. And there are few blood vessels, as you can see here. This is the ground substance or the free substance. This is the collagen fibers and your nucleus here, fibroblast nucleus. Right, let's talk about irregular connective tissue, which is found in the cartilage and bones. It can withstand stress in all directions. So as you can see, your cartilage, okay, and your bone, okay. Around your cartilage and bone, you can see this irregular connective tissue, and they form capsules around some of the internal organs. So as you can see here in the diagram, this is the collagen fiber bundles. You can see here, this part here. These are collagen fiber bundles. The nucleus, this is dark ones. And the ground substance or the free substance. Another one is elastic connective tissue, or we call branching elastic fibers. When you can see here, it provides ability to return to shape after being deformed. So we are glad we have lots of elastic connective tissue, which has lots of fibroblasts. Okay, these are collagen fibers that are packed closed. Okay, packed close. It's the ground substance, the white one here, fibroblast nucleus are the dark ones at the center, and the elastic fibers are good to return to shape after being deformed. So that is it for today. Thank you so much. I hope you have learned something from our different types of connective tissue. Let's go back. Let's have our summary. Connective tissues contains specific types of cells, and they are specific in function. So one type of connective tissue is called the loose connective tissue, which is found in loose connective tissue, right? And next one, we call it irregular connective tissue. Here it is found in this visible cells in our body. Irregular. There are three kinds: fibroblast. It has collagen fibers and it has elastic fibers. Another one is adipose connective tissue, or commonly known as fats. Okay, it gives us energy. It stores energy, and once we need that energy, they give us this energy. It acts as insulation. Another is dense connective tissue. It is found at the tendons and ligaments. Right? Tendons are those muscles that are attached to bones, right? And ligaments, okay? muscles to muscles. We have dense irregular connective tissues. Okay, this is found in around our internal organs, around cartilage and bones. We have elastic connective tissues. Okay, there are collagen fibers that are packed close. So that is it. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone.